Hi, it's Joni from Coastal Heritage Society of Louisiana, and today is August the 11th, 2010. We did another rain sample collection today, rainwater samples, and packaging them up, getting ready to send them off to the lab so we can get some more results. As you may know, we did a rain sample. Results were posted a little over a week ago with some metals and chloride and things. We felt that warranted some more sampling, so that's what we're doing. At this point, EPA still hasn't tested one drop of rainwater. We're hoping that they will. We're hoping that what we're doing, as just a bunch of moms, inspires them to do some testing, so we can see what's falling on all of us. And so yeah, that's what we're doing today. And we have one bottle, which is a microbacteria test. It's going out. We have our metals and organics going out. And we have our VOCs, chemicals, going out. 3 separate samples going to the same lab, same box today. We feel like it's really important to know what's falling on us, on our crops, which gets into the food we eat, livestock, which turns into hamburger that you might eat, children's playgrounds, our lawns, us, as you can see from the wet hair and when we're out there collecting rain samples. So we're packaging them up. Just a word, we collect them in sterile containers. We don't use a funnel or anything to transfer them to lab bottles. We're very careful about cross-contamination of any type. And anyone that plans to do this at home, that's a real big concern, is cross-contamination. Make sure you wear gloves. Make sure you use a sterile container. If it's plastic, it has to be acid washed. Talk to someone at your local university. They can do that for you to prevent the plastic from contaminating your samples. And then put into the special lab bottles and sent away. It's also important, the fresher the sample, the better. Once you collect it, put it in the bottles. If you can't ship it within the next hour or two, go ahead and put it in a dark container, put it in your refrigerator until you can get it out. Fresh samples are very important. It's our understanding that VOCs evaporate very quickly. So that's what we're doing right now. First thing we do after we have our samples in our bottle is take a heavy-duty plastic bag, such as this one, and some bubble wrap, small bubble wrap. Wrap the glass bottle, which is specifically the VOCs, in the bubble wrap. Goes in the heavy-duty plastic bag, along with the other 2 bottles, which don't necessarily have to be wrapped. Seal your bag, getting as much air out as possible. One extra step that we take, just for chain of custody purposes, if you will, is we tape up our bag. It's folded over. You can buy tamper-resistant tape, any hardware store. Basically has lines of material in it, and if someone tries to unfold it or untape it, it shows through. So, you tape your bag up with your samples inside, bubble wrap, more bubble wrap. You want to make sure you choose a box that's, of course, large enough to hold your samples, but not too big because you don't want to roll it around a lot. And you want to we use these fillers in addition to our bubble wrap. Keep things from moving around too much. And once it's full and you can't hold another thing, seal up your box. Again, tamper-resistant tape comes in handy. That way the lab can call you, and our lab is great for calling to let us know the condition of the box when they received it. Make sure nothing's been fooled with. Everything is good, and it's just in the same condition that we sent it. So, our samples are safe and sound in our box, and we'll go out here in just about 45 minutes, and should be received very soon by our lab. They'll call us and let us know, and then it generally takes about 7 days to get our results back. As soon as we have those results, of course, as always, we post everything on the website at www.chslouisiana.org, and you can visit the site to find out what we're doing, what we've been doing, show your support, and of course get the rainwater results. We do appreciate the support that everyone's shown and the encouragement. This isn't always an easy job, and we're all volunteers. Sometimes it's just nice to hear it sometimes that people are behind us, so we do appreciate that. We really do. Vicki, Kendra, myself, Bart, and other board members, all thank you for your support, and we'll let you know as soon as this lab result comes back. And yeah, thanks a lot. We appreciate it.